Welcome back to my channel. This is the same Miriam Handicraft that you've been following, that you have subscribed for. Thank you for doing all that. Now in today's tutorial, we'll be doing this lovely fascinator. This lovely fascinator is what we are about to learn today. Then we'll be taking it step after steps, one step after the other. Now to make this lovely fascinator, we'll be needing these following items to complete the beautiful fascinator. Of course, our heart wire, pin and needles. This is a rubber. You can decide to use Alice band, but I prefer using this. It will hold the fascinator firm to the head. There's no falling off. No, you can actually put Alice band, and then probably with the breeze or shaking of the head, it can begin to shake and move around. But with this, it will just keep it in one place. Then this is bead. We have small beads. Then this is an oval bead, oval shape bead. Then our bishop round cap, our machine thread, tailor's chalk, bowl gum, our tape roll, scissors, ruler, and of course our material that we'll be using to do this. And lastly, we'll be using bias. We'll be using bias to tape the cap. So now let's begin. So now the next thing to do now is the art wire. I'm going to be cutting out 22 because this round is 21, so I will just let it stay on each other a bit more. Then I'll be attaching it to the edge of the cap. So I'll just cut out the art wire, then attach it to the edge of the cap. It will make the cap stand strong and make it firm. So that's what I'll be doing. Then after that, I'm just going to say what I want to do together to the cap. So once and for all. So after that, I've cut out a piece of cloth from what I want to use. So I don't even know the name of the material actually. I don't know. I just saw it. I like it. It's okay for what I want to use it for. So I bought it. So I'll now be gumming this. I have to gum it after I finish the art wire. After I finish adding the art wire, so I'll be gumming this cloth on it. I just want to use it to cover it. So I'll just use to cover this. So that's what I'll be doing. So I'll do all that behind the camera. Then we'll continue from there. I'm done attaching the art wire to the cap, so you can see it's really something that is stable and very firm now. So what's next I'm going to do is I'm going to be fixing the rubber. This is where the art wire ended, so I'm just going to be fixing the wire here, and then the rubber rather here and here. So after fixing it, then I'm going to cover the tip up. That's why I want to put the rubber now, so that I can cover everything with the bias. So I'll just cover it up with the bias, so that all this will be covered up. So I'm not going to be gumming it. I'm not going to be sewing or anything. I'll just gum it. I'll gum the bias to the tip of the tab. So let me go and do that now, and then I will continue by adding the material on it. So now covering all the bias, everything, and it will look very fair. All right, let's continue. Now I'm done with attaching the rubber to it. So next thing is I'm trying to gum the bias. So just your gum left and right, up and down, this way. I don't know. You gum this way and this way, both sides. both sides. So bias goes. I'm opening it up because I have a very tiny bias. Both sides. Both sides. Put gum in, put gum out. Then this is the bias. I'll open it up. And then you can iron it out. So that's how I'm going to be covering it up all through. Now I'm done putting the bias. I'm done with the bias. Now what next to do is, by the time you'll be doing it, you'll see that because we place this on it, it will not be lifting us. So what you just do is make a cut, a little cut to the bias so that it can free the rubber. You can see now it's now free. So same thing to this side. Cut, cut, then it's now free. So it's now free. So now this is it. So I said the next thing is to not cover it up. So I'm going to be covering it up now. Just continue to follow me through. Yeah, the cap is completed. It's completed. I'll be cutting out this excess. So it's completed now. So what next to do is the design that will be on it. Now to make the design, I just use my baby pseudo cream cover. So I'll just be taking out some round. I'm using my pen just so chalk cannot give me what I want. My pen all right. Okay. Now I cannot use chalk to not give me what I want. So this circle, I'll be cutting the circle. I need like some pieces all together, maybe 20 of this. So I'll be cutting like 20 of this circle. Then I'll be showing us what to do next with them. I just make a cut of the cloth, the fabric I'm using, and it's just 2.5. So and that's how I cut all 2.5. That's inches. You can see my roller is on inches, so it's just 2.5. That is how big the circle is. So you can cut yours bigger, you can cut it smaller, depending on how you want it to be. Now I pin it down 4 4. So I'm just going to be doing 4 4 all together. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6. But actually I want us to learn how to make the petals. So, and that's it. This one. So you can see it. So That's what I'll be doing to all the pieces that I've cut off. I'll be doing that to all. So let me continue. So now let me go to the arrangement of everything and let's see if I can do the video. Now I started with the process. So just my hot gum. I'm using my hot gum to glue them, I'll be having one. Okay, this is it here. So I want it to stop here, I guess. So just like this. One of this, then one of this will be covering up. I have 8 so each one of them have their own petals to hold them down. So each one of them have their own petals to hold them down. So, and that's how I'll be placing it. So let me finish it up at the back of the camera, then I'll show us the last part of it. Watch out. I actually realized that making the 3D and the design and adding the video to this video will make it longer. I think the making of both petals and 3D is about 12 minutes and some seconds thereabout. So if I should say I should add it up to this particular one, it will be too lengthy and you might not have patience to start watching. So I'm sorry, I have to cut this particular making into two. So I'll be posting the previous the making of both petals and the 3D in another video, which I'll be posting next. So I will just make it in another video, then post it after this particular one. So just please subscribe, follow me, and comment so that I can actually be encouraged by your subscription. Then please share so that more people too can view it. Thank you, and God bless you as you do so.